welcome to another how-to video. And in this video, as you can see, we're turning an ordinary speaker into a buzzer. I've seen it done in numerous ways on YouTube. None of them are exactly great. This one uses a couple of small signal transistors, very cheap components, if not at all scavenged from an old TV. So it's a great little learning circuit, a little oscillator circuit. Hope you enjoy it. Well, here's the scheme of things. As you can see, I've got an ordinary speaker, and this one's at 4 ohms. The transistors I've used in this case is an A539 and a BC547. The variable resistor here pot is 10 kilo ohm. On the scheme, I haven't put a value for that, but basically any value will do there. And these any small transistors, signal transistors, will do. One's NPN, one's PNP. Nothing more than that. I've got it hooked up to a 9-volt battery, and I've got it connected into this little switch here. So on this trim pot, came out of an old TV. There's a little adjuster thing there, little switch, so you can adjust it. Very convenient. These all came out of old TVs. This came out of an old TV, and that came out of something old, I don't know what. So I'll give you a demo of what it sounds like. This is extremely loud. So here goes. I started off on the low range here, quite low there, and then move it up a little bit, and gets ear splitting. It's ridiculous. So if you wanted to turn this into some kind of alarm, doorbell, all you need to do is change the switch into a push button type, stick it on the door, and you've got yourself a doorbell. If you wanted to turn it into a alarm, then on this switch here, it's micro switch, the contacts are open when it's in this configuration. But if I was to take this wire and put it onto there, then the contacts will be closed all the time that that's open. When it closes, it would be off. So you could put that on a door or something. When it opened, it would go off. If you want to turn it into a continuity tester, all you need to do is put your 2 probes here, between these 2 contacts here. That's all there is to it. It's very simple. Hopefully somebody else will repeat and make it, and leave us some comments on how you did it. Well, that concludes this short video. If you learned something from it, or if you gained something positive from it, if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you to all my current subscribers. It's doing really well. Thank you.